Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a simple robot step by step. So here all you're going to need is a pencil, paper, and an eraser. So here I have two in this case. So let's start with the head. Make sure to make it in kind of like in the middle. Like that. So I'll have the best hand to draw because I don't really take a big test for art. I haven't really dedicated my life to art. I'm just making this so that you guys can have an idea. So I've already made the eyes and I'm gonna make them circle. You can make them however you want. Now let's add the nose. I'm gonna make it a triangle, like so. And now we can add the mouth, like so. So you can make him have as many teeth as you want, or just no teeth at all. I'm gonna draw him like this. He looks kind of funny. So you got it. You can make it however you want, and like that. So now we have finished the face. If you want, you can draw little antennas. So basically like ears with antennas, like that. So I'm just giving you an idea of how to draw a robot. You don't have to make it like that. And obviously yours is, for me, this one's the best I can draw, but for you, when you draw your robot, you are gonna be thinking that yours is the best, because it really is. Because any artwork that is yours will always be the best artwork for you. So let's start making the body. Can make him square, like that. Now we can draw a little thing right here. Now we can draw little fingers. Now I'm not really good at drawing fingers, so yeah. I'm making them rectangles since it's a robot. They don't really look the best, but yeah. So let's make the other fingers. Now this may not be the best robot in the world that you can draw, but it's how I draw robots. Sometimes I have ideas of different robots, but I'm just making it how right now it would look to me. Like, so go through the fingers so that it's better, and you can make a little thing so that you know where his legs are gonna be. And so now we got his little, well, they're not little, they're pretty thick. And now we got his little pants, and we can do that. Make a shoe for him, like so. And there we have our robot. We can add little stuff right here, like a little pocket if you want. Now this is a really quick robot you can make. So yeah, it's really easy to make and whenever you want. There we go. We have his little pockets in his shirt. We can draw a little shading in here. That. And we can also add some details to the face, like maybe draw a little thing like this to show, like when you're tired, you might be tired a little bit, or you can just not do that at all. Let's make a little thing for his nostrils. You can make him with a little hat, like this. Gonna take off the rest of the paper. Make it like this. This. So now he's got a little hat. Let's just say let's just make little patterns right here. That wasn't really the best measurement. So that's why it's important to know how big your robot's gonna be. You can make him short sleeves or long sleeves. In this case, I did long sleeves, and you can make him like this. So you can make a little design on your shirt, on his shirt. In my case, I'm gonna name him Bobby, like this. So I'm just gonna do this little design on him. And now Bob. Or we can I might call him Bob. Let's call him Bobby. Bobby without double B. Bobby. And yeah, we're done. So now I'm gonna color him, and wait, before I color him, let's make a little thing like this so it distinguishes his neck from his shirt. And as I was saying, I'm gonna do coloring, and I'll be right back. I'm showing you all the things in case you didn't see that, and I'll be right back. I've finished drawing the robot, and this is how it looks. I chose red for the mouth, white for the teeth always, blue eyes, and the antenna I made like a hat, colored the hat in, colored in the Bobby sign here, his hands, his pants, and his shoes. So in case you guys want to, I'm gonna show you that how it will look with Sharpie, because after I colored it with gray, as you can see right here, it's kind of like faded away. So I'm going to show you with Sharpie how it would look. I'll be right back. Boy, this is how it's going to look when you do Sharpie if you want. So it looks way better. It looks like it's coming to life. And yeah, I guess this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's try to hit 75 likes. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.